Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase weekly con settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Coinbase and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.